Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install Teamviewer. But let me first discuss you what is Teamviewer. Okay, Teamviewer is a software that is used to remote computer from one places to another. Yes guys, it is true. You can remote and send a file to the other computer, wherever it is, as long as both of you have this application and connected to the internet. So guys, watch my video and I will share it to you. First, we need to download this software. You can download it for free. Go to Google, type the word TeamViewer free download. And choose TeamViewer Windows download for remote desktop access. Here we go. Okay, select this, download TeamViewer. Okay, we are done downloading the software. Now we're going to install it. Double click this. As you can see, there's an option here. Choose default installation and personal and non-commercial use. Click this, accept and finish. Click yes and wait for a second. Okay guys, the installation is finished. As you can see at the right side, there's a partner ID here and the option remote control and file transfer. For now, we're going to use remote control. As your partner ID, input it here. And click connect. As the password of your partner ID, input it here. And here we go. As you can see, the black background is the other computer. I hope you get it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Big thanks.